Agent teams and it's part of their anti-gravity update. You type one command, and instead of getting one AI to help you, you get an entire team of AI workers that split up the job and do it all at the same time. Not one assistant, a team. And once you see how this works, you're going to understand why this is one of the biggest shifts in AI this year. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what's going on. You type one command, teamwork preview, and it spins up a full team of AI helpers with different jobs. Think about a real team at a company. One person plans, one person does the actual work, one person checks the work, and one person double checks to make sure nobody cut corners. Google gave these roles actual names. There's a planner, there's a worker who builds the thing, there's a reviewer who looks it over, there's a critic who tries to poke holes in it, and there's an auditor. And that last one, the auditor, is where this gets kind of crazy. When Google was testing this internally, the team finished a huge job way too fast, like suspiciously fast. So they dug into it, and it turns out the AI helpers were picking at all the work from past runs and pretending they'd done it fresh. The AI was cutting corners. So Google built in an auditor whose entire job is to catch the other AI models when they're faking it. Think about how wild that is. They had to build an AI just to police the other AI. And honestly, this is the piece that's been missing this whole time. For the longest time, the problem with AI wasn't that it couldn't do the work. It's that you couldn't fully trust what it told you it did. You'd have to go check every line yourself, and that checking ate up so much time that a lot of people just gave up and did the job manually. Now, you've got a system built to catch that. Here's the part that actually changes how fast this stuff gets done. These AI helpers aren't taking turns. While the planner is planning, the worker is already building. While the worker is building, the reviewer is already checking earlier pieces. It's happening in parallel all at once. So instead of waiting on one AI to slowly work through a list step by step, you've got multiple AI models moving at the same time on the same goal. Let's make this real. Say you want a welcome email series for new members of your community. Normally, that's you writing 5 emails, checking the tone on each one, fixing weak lines, wondering if it's actually going to land. With a team like this, you type one goal, plan a full welcome email series for new members, and the planner maps out the emails, the worker writes them, the reviewer fixes the weak lines, and the critic reads it like a picky customer and flags anything confusing. One goal in a finished set of emails out, or say you've got a pile of customer questions sitting in your inbox, the same handful of questions over and over. Normally that's an hour of your day gone. With a team, you say one thing, read these, group the repeats, write me a clear answer for each group, and the planner sorts them. The worker writes the answers, the reviewer keeps the tone right, and you come back to a finished set of replies ready to send. That's a whole morning of work handed off in one sentence. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's what's interesting. When Agent Teams first came out, it was locked behind the most expensive plan Google offers. Most people couldn't even touch it, but that's already changed. It's rolled out to more plans, which means this isn't some far-off tool for big tech companies anymore. Regular people, regular business owners can run this right now. And I want to be straight with you. This isn't for tiny little tasks. Running 5 AI models at once burns through your usage fast, so you're not calling in a whole team to write one sentence. You call in the team for the big stuff. The kind of job that would normally eat your whole afternoon. And that's actually good news, because the big, boring, time-consuming stuff in your business is exactly what you want to hand off in the first place. Think about the difference between one person painting a house by themselves versus a crew showing up. One person you're waiting all week. A crew shows up. One person tapes the edges, one rolls the walls, one does the trim, and it's done by dinner. Same job, way less waiting, and you didn't have to lift a single brush. That's the jump we're talking about here. A year ago, AI could barely finish one small task without you holding its hand the entire way through. Now, you give it a goal, you walk away, and you come back to finished work that's already been checked by another AI. That happened fast, and it tells you where this is heading. Right now, you're probably doing everything yourself. You plan it, you write it, you check it, you fix it. 4 jobs, one you. With a tool like this, you become the person getting the goal and the team does the 4 jobs. And the real skill here isn't some secret trick or magic wording, it's just being clear. Instead of saying help me with emails, you say write me 5 welcome emails for new members, keep them short and friendly, and end each one with a question. The clearer you are, the better the output. That's the whole skill, and you already know how to do it because you do it every time you explain a task to another person. So here's the question worth asking yourself. What's the big task you keep putting off? The one that eats hours out of your week? Maybe it's writing out your sales process, maybe it's planning a month of content, maybe it's finally clearing out that pile of repeat customer questions. That's exactly the kind of job you hand to a team like this. This isn't a small update. This is the direction AI is heading, moving from one assistant answering questions to full teams of AI models running jobs on their own, checking each other's work, and handing you the finished result. The people who learn how to give these teams clear goals right now are going to get more done than everybody else, not because they're working harder, but because they've got a team behind them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.